Ever wonder how some creators seem to blow up overnight? While you're posting consistently, still barely getting any views. It's not just the content, it's the tools they're using behind the scenes. In this video, I'm sharing 5 powerful apps I personally use on my phone to boost visibility, improve quality, and keep viewers watching longer. From creating eye-catching visuals with Piclumen, to generating voiceovers with Dupdub, and even using a teleprompter that makes you sound smooth and confident. These are tools that make your videos look like they were made by a full team. And yes, I do it all on my phone. If you're ready to step up your content and finally start seeing results, let's get into it. So first up, we're going to Magic Hour. Magic Hour has over 20 tools you can use to help boost your channel. What I'm going to show you first is image to video. I'm going to choose my AI with Lottie avatar so I can show you how smooth the transitions are. So then in the prompt, I'm going to put talking with hand gestures. Don't worry, I did fix the width. And then I'm going to click render video. Here's the video. So she's moving really good. I might actually use this for my videos when creating movements for Lottie. So now I'm going to show you text to image. So then we're going to put in a text, a young princess walking through the forest and little creatures are around. The best part is you can make this video 60 seconds. This is the longest movement generator I've ever used, and I love it. Of course, you can make it quick mode or studio mode, but I'm going to keep it landscape, and I'm just going to show you 30-second rendering. So it does take a couple minutes, but lucky for you, I already rendered it. Here it is. Now let's try lip syncing. So I'm still going to use my AI with Lottie just so I can show you how good the lip sync is. Then you click next step. Also, you can make the lip sync up to about 5 seconds. So this is the video I'm using. Now you can upload your own voiceover if you like, or you can choose one of their ones. It's mostly celebrities, but it's still cool. Now you are going to upload your own audio. Well, I am. I uploaded my own audio. It only takes about a couple seconds, which is actually pretty amazing. There's no way they did that on their phone. Once you render the video, it's going to take about 3 minutes, but lucky for you, I already have the video. You ever watch one of those perfectly edited videos and think, there's that on their phone? That turned out amazing. I love how she sits, the lips match the audio. I might just use this. Now, as you can see, Magic Hour has a ton of things to use. They have talking photo, they have image creators, swap your face. Look at this. I just wanted to get in close just so you can see. So they have face swap videos, text to video, talking photo, video to video, animation. Magic Hour is a great tool to have when you first start your channel. So go download it. Now I'm going to take you over to Piclumen. Piclumen has the most clear and detailed images I've ever seen. The best part is that it's free to use because look at these. Look at the detail, a starry night. Look at her hair, how it wisps in front of her face. Let's dive in so I can show you how this works. So there's a bunch of models you can use. I'm going to show you the first one. Art V1, and then you get to choose your aspect ratio and how many images you want to create. I'm just going to keep it at 1, and now I'm going to paste in a prompt. And this is what it came up with. Look at this. This is exactly the prompt I wanted. Now, let's try a different one. I put in a prompt, and I used Piclumen Realistic V2. The results are incredible. Now let's try Piclumen Anime Y2. I put in a prompt and now I'm going to generate it, and this is what they came up with. Look at this. They are so good. You give a good prompt and they give you a high quality image back. Now let's try out Flux Show. So we're going to put in a prompt. This one is about a furry orange car. But let's see the results. Look at this. If you watched my channel, you've seen images, and this is what I've used. Now we're going to try Flux One Dev. Now we're going to put in a prompt, and this is it. Download Piclumen for images. You will not regret it. Let's go on over to Dupdub. If you have a channel and want to have a talking avatar, this is a great app to have. It not only translates your audio, it translates your videos. Let's check out the AI voiceover. So you click a voiceover that you like, which they have tons of human-like ones. I put in a little paragraph of what I want my avatar to say, and you can lower or speed up the pitch to make it sound more like yours. Some people reuse the same AI voices on YouTube, but you can change the voice on Dupdub. You can make it higher or lower to your liking. Now click Export Voice. Once you're here, we'll ask you, do you want the audio in WAV or MP3? We're going to do it in MP3. Check your downloads, and now you have the video. Let's listen to it.
Creating engaging videos is easier than ever with AI avatars and Dupdub's text-to-speech. You can generate voiceovers, animate your avatar, and...
That sounded amazing. Now let's check out the AI avatar tool. You're going to pick a voice, or you can upload your own voice. I'm going to upload my own voice. And you choose your avatar that you would like to use. They have a couple here, but I'm going to upload my Lottie avatar. And then I chose my voice. I used mine, and I uploaded her avatar, and then I generated it. Here it is. Stick figure videos might look simple, but they can be seriously powerful. I've used this plenty of times, Runway. If you want your avatar to have facial expressions, this is the perfect place to go. It uses your facial features, you say what you want your avatar to say, and it does it. First, I'm going to show you a couple other things it does. So there's generative session, there's Act 1, which I just talked about, and then there's video to video. Now that's when you can take one of your videos and turn it into like claymation or Disney Pixar, whatever you choose. Let's do the generative session first. So I have this little paragraph, this prompt. It's about a fish swimming in the ocean. I'm going to generate it. So once it's generated, this is what it gives me. It gives me 4 options to choose from. But I can also take up the authentic range, and it also gives me a seed, and I can choose. Let's see these results. Aren't these cute? Oh, I love them. And now we're going to take it to video because we're going to make this a motion video. You upload your image, and then I'm going to put the fish just swims and it's enjoying itself. Mouth moves, eyes move, very interactive. You could put a first and last picture if you like, but that's up to you. Now you could choose a 5-second or a 10-second, but I am going to choose a 5-second right now just so I can show you how great this video imager is. Here is the video. It turned out so cute. Look at this. Oh, you can even use Runway to make this little fishy talk, like if you want to put it in a story or something. So now I'm going to show you how Act 1 works. I'm going to upload my Lottie, and then I'm going to record my face right here with my facial expressions of what I want her to say. Once that's done, you go over here, and this is what she looks and sounds like. Now, if you want to take your video and turn it into claymation, Android, there are so many to choose from. Definitely get Runway. It's a game changer. Now, this is how I record my hook. It's called Teleprompter, and I love using it. It makes my voice sound outstanding. And because I use Act 1 on Runway, this is perfect for me. So I just read it out, and you can slow it down or make it fast. It's really up to you. Make sure you check out all of these. They're worth it. If you enjoy learning about AI and how to use it on your phone, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell button so you can get all the new updates. Thanks for watching.